In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set max invitees per event in Calendly. This is really useful if you host group sessions, webinars, or any event where you want to control how many people can book a particular time slot. By setting a maximum number of invitees, you avoid overbooking and keep your schedule manageable. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your main scheduling dashboard, where you see your event types. Look for the option to create a new event type, usually labeled Create. Click on this. You can choose whichever kind of event you're working with, like a one-on-one or a group event, depending on your needs. If you already have an event set up, you can also open that existing event type instead of creating a new one. The max invitee setting works as part of the event's advanced options. Once you're inside the event editor, you'll see a panel with different settings for that event, such as name, duration, and location. Here, you want to look for a link or button labeled More Options. Click on More Options to expand the advanced configuration. This area is where Calendly keeps the more detailed controls that go beyond the basics of time and availability. After opening the advanced options, find the section called Limits and Buffers. Go ahead and click on Limits and Buffers. This section is designed for controlling how your bookings behave, including how many people can schedule, how much time you want between meetings, and other guardrails to protect your calendar. Inside Limits and Buffers, you'll see any existing limits that might already be set, such as daily booking caps or minimum scheduling notice. To add a new rule specifically for your event, click on Add Another Limit. When you click this, Calendly will let you define a new constraint. Here is where you choose the type of limit related to the number of invitees. From there, select the option that sets a maximum number of invitees per event, then type in the number of people you want to allow. This could be 5, 10, 20, or any number that fits your event size. Once you've entered that value, make sure to save your changes in the event editor so the new limit is applied. Now, your Calendly event will automatically stop accepting new bookings once it reaches that maximum number of invitees for each time slot, helping you manage your event smoothly and professionally.